First, apologies to the big-footed fams because these are just extending till size 11. Second, there's no Nike Air branding on the back, but I don't mind, I like the Jumpman. And finally, these are called of NOIR officially and not OREOS. 2 words, I'm impressed. And this looks absolutely gorgeous, it feels nice on hand as well. Actually, 3s are one of my favorite Jordans, and I have 3 main reasons to back up my statement. But let's take a detailed look first on the sneakers, if they're really worthy for your 210 euros. The box is nice, it's not flimsy unlike the cheap extra laces and hang tag, and the materials, these are pretty solid. On paper, it's called Black Sail Cement Gray, a color blocking similar to the black cement, but with a darker and sleeker twist. The upper is made entirely of nubuck suede leather except the tongue area, which is a soft, shiny polyurethane with the black Jumpman logo stitching. The signature elephant print is seen on the heel and toe cap, while the heel tab sports the Jumpman Air branding. The midsole is a creamy sail color, while the outsole is a cement gray rubber with the Jordan text engraved. And speaking of elephant prints, actually I have a bit of a trauma of them already because of my reimagined pair that I ended up returning sadly. It was really a terrible QC. Let's check if this one has the same issue just to give you guys some idea on the QC aspect. Starting on the mudguards, I'd say they're perfectly okay. The outer sides are fine as well, including the heel support area. There's a tiny discrepancy though on the inner sides, but nothing major to be honest. First reason why I love the 3s is because they are very versatile. The reason for that is they don't have massive or bold brandings on the sides, just like other sneakers. And of course, this is also a silhouette med cut, making them as a low-key sneaker. And my favorite outfit to wear with the 3s are vintage blue jeans. It's just a combo that you can easily transition from streetwear to semi-formal attire. In other words, it's timeless. No wonder why the 3s are getting so much love from different types of people. Flannels are my go-to tops normally for this sneaker, and since they don't have bold brandings like I said, it made them just super easy to pull off. Second, these are not only versatile sneakers, I consider them as well as one of the comfiest Jordans that I have tried so far. Thanks for the thick paddings on the tongue and also the linings. It's not bulky if you want to compare it to other J's like the 12s or the 5s. Therefore, you will have no issues even if you're wearing slim tapered cargos on them, as they don't disappoint aesthetic wise. And since this has black colorway, it's also a good fit for cold and wet weather. Pair them with some hoodies or just some flannels and you're good to go. I mean, this is actually my outfit going to the office. And finally, 3s are unique. It has its own feature that no other shoe can pull off, even if it's a Jordan. And you guys remember the Jordan 1 high and lows with the elephants? It was crazy and looks really awful. And even if they're selling it already for half the price, nobody still wanna buy them because it's that bad. Like I said, since you can easily transition from casual to streetwear styling, I'm wearing now my baggy camo cargos, and hopefully you guys can get some ideas on how to wear your 3s in case you'll be copying this pretty pair on the 15th. It's just a shame that they didn't release in a full size run. I also tried doing a lace swap using cream and the extra white laces, but I think I prefer more the black ones for a more stealthy vibe. Sizing wise, I am true to size on my 3s, but if you have a small to narrow feet, it's better to half size down for a snug fit. Whenever a sneaker is already beyond 180 euros or dollars, I consider them already as expensive, and this one is not an exception. But if you're looking for new or your first pair of J's, I think this is a good pair to cop. And like I said, they look nice and feels nice on hand, and of course I think they can be copped easily during the release. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. See you next time.